People, no listen. And I hope that you can understand what I'm about to say. I am here in Japan. And there's a shortage of toilet paper in the supermarkets, in the pharmacy, in the kusuri, in the grocery store. There is no toilet paper. But guess what? I am not worried because I have toilet paper. I have toilet paper. And guess what? I am from Jamaica, you see? So, if toilet paper runs out, no problem, man. Jamaica, no problem. I have tissue paper. What them call it? Facial tissue paper. No problem. No problem. And guess what? All when this run out, no worries, no problem. Because what? I have, how them call this again? Paper towel. Oh Lord have mercy. I have paper towel, and so I am not afraid, and I am not panicking about all this this shortage of toilet paper. And guess what? All when this done, I am still not worried. I am still not panicking, because guess what? Guess what else I have? I have newsprint. Yes? I have plain newsprint. See there? I was about to wrap up some pine skin that I just made, some pine skin juice. And I said, I can't use the newsprint because it's not even printed on. I can save this for when the toilet paper, the tissue paper, the paper towel done. And guess what? All when this done, me still not worried, because I am a Jamaican. And guess what I have been doing? I have been doing from long time before coronavirus or any virus and all typhoon and them things. I have been saving newspaper. Why? Because in Jamaica, when hurricane come, you always need newspaper. So this girl has been saving up newspaper. So I have a whole heap of newspaper. And if you are from Jamaica, and if you never did know, now you know. All you need to do is wet this. Not soaking, dripping wet, but damp enough for it to be malleable, so it won't cause any harm down there. You know what I mean? This is your girl Stacy in Japan. Thank you for coming and checking out this video. Goodbye.